Yo, you boy Trey back with another video, boy. I ain't did this shit in a long time. God, Lee, I need to start cutting so much, but I ain't did a video in a long time. But it's finna be my first IRL video. I'm finna bring y'all some slight, you know what I'm saying, some slight. You got my boy bike here, put on my Wickerbill. Go sub his channel. Also, go follow his Instagram. I'm finna show y'all his Instagram. Instagram is noahdoee, NOAHDOEE. He got a scat too also. You know, he got criminal lights on his shit though. And he got his shit tuned, popping. He got burbles, all that on his shit. I ain't got my shit done yet. I just got mine. But we installing my Wickerbill. As you see by the title, you know, first video, installing the Wickerbill.
Yeah, man, good video, man. Come on now.
Got my boy put my shit on for me.
No, we do all our work by ourselves. Fuck the,
you feel what I'm saying? Fuck the mechanics. We ain't got time for all that. That's just two more extra money. I ain't doing all that. We do our own shit. Fuck you in your shop. Hope your shop closed down. Let me stop playing though. Well, yeah, my boy get me right. Appreciate him. Yeah. Been fucking with my boy since the beginning. But yeah, I'm finna start doing a lot of car content. I ain't doing no more 2K content. If I do 2K content, I'm gonna be screaming. So y'all just stay, you know what I'm saying, tuned, sub up, turn on post notifications, shit like that. So you'll know what I'm screaming. But I'm mainly be screaming GTA, Car X, Warzone, stuff like that. Not nothing too major, but IRL vid is gonna be a lot of car content and stuff. But I'm finna show y'all my shit. You know, I got the tan cream looking color with the rose gold rims, rose gold SRT wheels. SRT, rose gold lip, red interior. You know, go red interior on here with the SRT steering wheel, SRT seats, 2016. I gotta get more time on this joker though. I gotta get more time, more vid time. I should have really been started doing that video, like you said though, cause I don't even think they're gonna be long enough. How long your first video was? Like 6 minutes?
Really, like, you really gotta make that bit longer than 13. Like when like the monetize it, that bit gotta be like more than 13.
I ain't even got 1K sub, so I gotta get 1K sub first. You know I've been doing YouTube if I know that. I was just doing 2K content at first. I might have to even make the new channel because I think that channel got dead subs on it. I think them subs dead.
You lie so much.
Might be.
But, you know, the boy get it right, Wickerbill. Shit finna be nasty. Can't wait till you get done.
Hey, come on a bit more.
Oh, wow. This all coming together with shit. I forgot about them bitches.
Oh, yeah, go follow my boy Instagram too. xmar_229. XMAR_229. That boy doing car content too. He got a charge also. Wickerbill on that motherfucker already. You know, they got Wickerbill already. They got everything on here. This shit geek though. This shit loud as fuck. He got performance mid pipes, I think. He cut his cats and stuff, but he tuned with burbles and everything. Yeah. This ain't gonna be the only car I'm posting on my channel neither. I got another car, 2014 Infiniti Q50 Premium. I'm gonna mod that after I mod this up. After I get this right, get everything done to this. Then when I'm gonna go to modding this, you know what I'm saying? Modding that fin. But you know, that boy get me right. That thing looking good. And I'm explaining the story about the spot, that spot right there, that little spot that you see right there. I'm explaining, tell y'all the story on that. Say that for another video. That gonna be a story time, but this motherfucker turning out. Nah. Oh, I'm ready to do some more mods to this motherfucker.
Shit big.
Shit bigger than big. Oh yeah, and I own my wheels. No pink slip. You know how that go.
Not stolen.
Not stolen at all. No. Hell no. We don't do no strikers around here. It ain't that deep. It ain't that deep. D gonna do that?
Yeah, I'm just put them in for.
Oh, you just put them on first, then you gonna go back and tighten them up. Okay, word. I might can get a good 10 minutes out this video, it just depends.
Yeah.
Oh, this bitch turning out nasty. You make sure air bolt tight. Yeah, facts. That bitch look good, boy. Oh my God. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV too, give y'all a couple pulls and all that. I ain't gonna do too much cause my city, I don't wanna do too much cause we been seeing 12 hot posted.
Yeah,
Yeah, that bitch sexy. That sexy. Oh, Wickerbill status. Wickerbill status. Ooh, that bitch nasty. That motherfucker looking good. Ah! Oh my God, that bitch look nasty. Yeah, I'm fucking with that. I gotta get them motherfucker. Why? Appreciate that. Well, hey, yeah, you can't clutch. You ain't need that much for real to get that bitch on. Look at this motherfucking Wickerbill. I gotta get good with this camera shit. That bitch look good. I'm fucking with that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That boy did it big. Hey, you need some shit done. Come, hey, you know boy Instagram.
We gonna get you right.
Every time. Noahdoee, Noahdoee. Go follow my boy. And he finna be at 6K sub. Get my boy to 10K. Roll to 10K. Fuck you talking about. He be at legal pits and everything.
Yeah, I almost said.
Boy got 6K sub. Like I said, he at 6K. Yeah, he finna be at 6K.
Well, now we posted this
Roll
a
to
week
10K.
ago now. What that bitch say? 889K? That bitch finna hit 900K views.
Finna be at a mill soon. 49.8K likes. Can't fuck with my boy. 50K likes.
Sound A.
Go fuck with my boy. Go follow his channel, man. Just like that. Hey, did he whip?
Hey, I showed you that other video when I was on the highway. That bitch don't do numbers on YouTube.
Did my shit. And did my shit. But them boy got in the Christmas spirit. I ain't too much getting the Christmas spirit. Wickerbill action. This just the first little mod cosmetic. I'm finna order my diffuser. Like I said, pause. I'm gonna give y'all the story time on all these spots. So just bear with me. That's another video. But you know, goddamn, finna goddamn order my diffuser. I got 1,000 stars right there in the box. Finna get installed. I gotta let my jeweler, OKQ, do my kill switch. He gonna do my kill switch. I'm gonna get my, I know I said diffuser, I'm finna order diffuser. I'm thinking about Hellcat fuel injectors. I know I'm gonna get it tuned with burbles and have flames on it. Trying to see what all else I can do to it.
For y'all niggas out here with SRTs and too.
Yeah.
Scat SRT and folks can't
mama. Can't fuck with that. SRT scat. Hey man, SRT scat. Can't fuck my boy. This is SRT 2016 Charger. 3.9 deuce engine. He got a what year? 23 scat. 3.9 deuce. Like I said, his shit tuned with burbles already. And he got performance cats.
Yeah.
He got performance cats. Mid pipes. Yeah, he got, like I said the first time, he got performance mid pipes, so I was right.